Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Thought of the day to speak in the school morning assembly. And the thought is talk to yourself once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss meeting an intelligent person in the world. This quote indicates the importance of self reflection and self awareness. These lines says that by engaging in daily introspection and examining ourselves, we become more thoughtful and gain a deeper understanding of our own insight in the world. This process permits us to connect with our inner self and cultivate the wisdom that develop the intelligence within ourselves. Dear friends, if we don't involve in self-talk, we'll miss the opportunity to discover our own intelligence, wisdom, and inner potential. Remember that we ourselves, the most important person. Let's practice self inquiry and unlock our own intelligence and wisdom. Thank you. Have a great day.